Thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoy your stay.
All on holiday. Having a good laugh, and no, you're not chasing it, dog. Right, main reason for this video is, and I apologise for losing the last one, DIY Grandad. You went to the trouble of sending me this, and I went and lost the video that I recorded. So we're going to give it a whirl now and see how she does. So car 1 minute, flyer the next. So we'll give it a whirl.
There we go.
Cool. Right.
There it goes.
And here we go. This is cool. You want to see the yaw on this? Watch. Wow!
Crazy, isn't it?
Super crazy. But yep, this is going to be a lot of fun, DIY Grandad, and of course your assistant. Thank you both very much indeed. I'm not going to do that because you've got to get a lot of height on it. And I don't really want to shove it into a draft. Da -da -da -da. How cool is that?
It's awesome, isn't it?
Good girl.
So we'll do a running takeoff. Hey up. We've got a tyre off.
Really?
There we go.
Yeah, don't forget we've got
We'll do a running takeoff this time.
next time we'll put gas water there, because we'll already be done. This will be a
Cool as. Oh! Nearly landed it in that doggy do. That yours really quick.
Oh,
Give up, Amber.
Maya!
Maya.
That's the big dog when she's jumping up video.
He's got one from a couple of years back with Amber, the sort of a lot, jumping up to one. You know, these little tiny ones, you know, them little whoopie things. They were flying it around inside at bloody conservatory. Oh no!
Give up, dog. The minute you touch it, you're getting a smacked nose.
Maya!
Come away. Away.
There, girl, here. Oi! Yeah! Yeah!
Don't you dare.
I suppose it's an easy way to exercise the dog.
Yeah.
Got LVC?
I don't. No way.
Yeah, but it's been charged for 3 days, that's why.
Well, it'll charge you again for later.
Oi! Come away. This is a lot of fun. Thank you very much, DIY Grandad. Awesome stuff, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up.